live here and backstage in the studio after this concert. We have Shreya Ghoshal. I'm Masala T.
Hi, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Hot Shot.
Shreya, you had a great concert performance today. All the lights were on you, the glitz and the glamour. How did you feel today on the stage?
Amazing. I normally always feel great whenever I'm performing, but today I think I was so relaxed and so inspired. I was running around the city, Chicago, and I was just too refreshed by the whole few days I spent here and people I met and wonderful weather. And the audience was actually the main reason why I always enjoy, and it was great today, so I had great fun.
The audience is, I'm sure, very energizing for you.
Always.
Do you enjoy this aspect of it, performing live in front of your fans?
Yes, I love performing. I love giving live shows. Of course, recording songs back in the studios is bliss for me. But whenever I come out of the studios, I get to meet the real audience, real fans, people who really listen to my music, the followers. The interaction, the energy, everything about it. It's a different high.
It's great. And this is your first time in Chicago?
Yes, it is.
So you've been in here. You've been in Chicago for a few days.
Yes.
How do you like Chicago so far?
I would vote this as one of the best cities I visited.
Oh, that's
Yes,
great.
I really would love to come and stay more.
Oh, we would love that if you were here in Chicago.
Well, tell us about your past. We know obviously your father is with you as well, so obviously your parents were very large in your upbringing. We understand obviously you won the competition Saregama not once but twice. You were a winner and back then, and obviously how did you get your start in singing? Was it very young? I read somewhere about age 4 you started singing. Is that true? Or
Yeah, that's kind of hilarious.
See, because Masala T sings in the shower, it's not very good, but you know.
This shower se shuruaat hoti hai sab.
Yeah.
It's okay.
So I
always make a start.
have some chance.
Yes, do it.
Okay, there we go.
But your talent was, I think, very easily seen as such a young age for you.
No, I'm glad that I'm born to. My parents were so amazing and they're so supportive.
Yeah.
It's because of my dad, my mom, and their efforts that I'm whatever today I am. Because I started really young, and in a place where I used to live, there was not much of scope for anything. Even to find a guru to learn music was difficult. So we finally were very fortunate we found somebody. I used to travel almost about 70 kilometers to get there to just learn music. And a lot of I would say hard work has gone behind it. And thanks to my parents for that.
Yeah, and that was because your mother and your father recognized your talent and allowed that outlet for you to become to really fine tune that. So I think that is the key, is support. So now what is your musical inspiration for you now as of today? Where do you find inspiration from?
I think I find inspiration from every music I listen to, good, bad, crap, everything. I think the moment I listen to something, I am always listening to music. If nothing else, I'm listening to FM or I like to listen to things carefully.
Yeah.
And I'm very fortunate that in India I meet such wonderful people, my music directors, my co-singers, people. There's so much talent back there, and like we have here Deepak Pandit as one of the best musicians from India. He's the finest violinist and a great composer. So people like these I meet and they inspire me. And of course artists, I listen to Lata Ji, Asha Ji before.
Yes.
They have been always my idol. They're always somewhere I inspire me.
Yeah, and I also read that one of your favorite groups as far as Hollywood side is ABBA. Is that true?
I just am crazy about them.
Dancing Queen.
That's a great group.
They're just great.
Oh, that's great.
Now, a couple questions. Some of our fans knew that you were coming on the show, so we had a few questions that we actually that had a lot of the fans wanted to ask you. One of them was, what is your favorite food?
I guess those are the fans who keep reading my Twitter feed.
Yeah, I know you're active on Twitter, which is a great way. Your fans, I'm sure, and it's really a great way to communicate.
They always keep saying that everything which Shreya talks is either music or food. Yeah, I'm a foodie and I love Thai
Thai food.
It's my most favorite, but Indian food is also
And you,
We also want to ask you, obviously the promoters, Nick and Bhavesh have been key in bringing this concert here, and how's the interaction been with them? Have you enjoyed them?
I enjoy them.
They're great guys,
people,
aren't they?
Great guys, and they're very, they're hot shots here, but they're very cultured. That's great, and wonderful hosts. They're very warm, and Nick was all the time with me, taking me around Chicago, and it was a great trip because of these guys.
oh,
So
that's
Nick
great.
and Bhavesh made it special for you.
That's
right?
great.
Thank
Well,
you.
you know what, Shreya, we want to just make sure for all your fans, you want to tell us what website you have they can check you out on to learn more about you?
Oh my God.
You have a website
Okay,
coming
it's
up?
still under construction.
Okay.
But, it will be very, very soon active. So it's
Okay.
www.shreyaghoshal.com. So SHREYAGHOSHAL.com.
Okay, great.
Well, thank you for coming on Hot Shot. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, Shreya. We wish you all the best.
We wish you all the
Of
best.
course, and of course, we love listening to you tonight. So best of luck to you.
All right.
Thank you, guys. We'll be back next time. See you soon.
Take care.
Okay.